Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will customize the Ubuntu 26.04 desktop. So this is the newer version of Ubuntu, and let's start this customization. And you have already seen the end results, and I hope you liked it. So let's start the customization. So I'll go to my downloads directory, and here I have the project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and extract the project file and go inside the project file. And after that, right click on an empty space, click on open in terminal. And I'm going to simply run this script, which is this one, script.sh. So let's make it executable first. Chmod +x script.sh. So this command will make the script executable. And after that, let's simply run the script. And as you can see that there are a bunch of commands inside the script. So this is gonna basically install all the packages that we will need to customize this desktop. So let's go ahead and click on this downloads link. And these are all the links for the themes. So go to my browser and simply download those themes as quickly as possible. Alright, so this is the GTK theme. Go to files and then download Graphite Dark Node, this one, and this is the icon pack. Click on the icon pack, click on download here, and then click on download here, and over here click on folders color chooser.sh and download this script as well. Press enter inside the terminal. Okay, after that, let's get the font. Click on get font, download the font, and finally Evolve Core. And I'm going to use Evolve Core to apply the GTK themes and the icon pack as well. Alright, so once I've downloaded all of this, I can close the browser. Alright, go to downloads, and these are all of the files. Let's go ahead and extract these zip files, the font and the icon pack and the GTK theme. And as you can see that it is showing a little progress bar at the left bottom corner of the file explorer. So let's wait for it to finish extracting the zip files. And these are all extracted, so I can delete these zip files, this one as well, but this one hasn't finished extracting yet. So let's keep this zip file, delete, finish extracting. And guys, thank you so much for the support, for getting the membership. I really appreciate this, as I say this in my every video. I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for the support, for getting the membership, for supporting my work. This really means a lot. This really helps me to keep going. And yeah guys, so let's delete these zip files because all of the files have been extracted. Okay, so open a new window for the home directory and click on show hidden files. And after that, let's go to dot themes. By the way, press Y inside the terminal. Okay, so go to dot themes, which is inside the home directory, and over here I will simply get all of these themes. And by the way, I don't need this, I only need this one, so I can simply delete these ones. Okay, then go to dot icons, and I'm going to do the same, get the icon pack over here. Okay, and after I've done that, let's go ahead and quickly install the font. Okay, once I've installed the font as well, let's go to my project file, and as you can see, there is another script which I'm going to run now, and I'm already inside my project file, as you can see. So let's go ahead and quickly run that script as well. So maybe I don't need to do chmod for this one, just type script 2.sh and / before that, press enter to execute the script. Again guys, this is the script. Okay, all right, now let's right click on the desktop and go to change background. Over here let's select dark and Ubuntu desktop, and all right, let's go to desktop icon settings. Click on that option, and over here deselect that to hide the home folder. And by the way, don't worry guys, this is not the ultimate GTK theme that we are going for, but okay. So the next thing that I will do is, let's go ahead and quickly apply the wallpaper. So I've applied the wallpaper. Now let's go to downloads and go to evolve core, and over here, all right, before I go to evolve core, let's go to dot themes and graphite dark node, go to gtk4, click on gtk.css. okay, and I will go to my project file, and over here you're gonna find I have provided a file called gtk changes. So I've made a few changes, only a few lines, so I'm gonna select all of it, copy that, and go to gtk.css, which is inside the graphite dark node / dot themes. Go to the bottom of the page, and over here just paste it and save it. Okay, so basically I saved the gtk changes, all of it, copied it, and then went to gtk.css, and at the end of the code I just pasted that. Okay, and let's do a bit more changes. So let's go to dot icons this time, and then go to graphbox plus dark, and I'll do the similar kind of thing here, not similar kind of thing, I'll just drag and drop a few icons. So go to project icons, which is inside my project file, go to gray icons. All right, so over here I will go to places and then scalable, and copy all of these icons and then paste it, and then select this and then click on replace. Then I'll go here and paste them as well, go to scalable, paste, select, click on replace, and I will go to apps, then go to scalable, and over here paste them as well. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the icons, and our script is done here as well. Okay, so this time I'll go to downloads, and I'll just simply apply the icon pack and the GTK theme. So go to evolve core, click on the application and select graphite not dark, go to icons, click on graphbox plus dark. Okay, and once I've done that, go to downloads again and right click on an empty space inside the downloads directory, click on open in terminal, and I'm going to simply run this script. So for that, let's type ls, copy the name, type chmod plus x, and then paste the name because I have to make it executable first before I run it. And after that, okay, I'll just simply type -c and then gray. So actually, let's go ahead and apply the icon pack again because I have made a few changes, and as you can see that it has applied the icons properly. Now as you can see that the GTK theme hasn't been applied yet, so for that I will just simply quickly restart. Okay, so I have restarted. Now let's open Nautilus, and as you can see that we have this new theme going on for the GTK, for the file explorer, and also the other applications, let's say calculator and other applications. Yeah, so things are looking pretty good. Now let's go to downloads, and before I go to downloads, I'm going to have to search for extension manager. So go to extension manager and then go to browse, and over here I will simply install a few applications such as blur my shell. Click on install, and turn on the apps menu. Okay, this is actually pretty much it. So go to my project file and right click on empty space again, just like I did at the beginning of this video. And over here, and by the way, don't worry guys, I'm going to change the theme for the terminal as well. Actually, let's do it now. Go to preferences and select Dracula or Nord. Actually, I prefer this one, Dracula. So if we're over here, you can type ls and then copy the name and then simply execute it, and it's gonna apply the settings for us. All right, so let's go to extension manager, and I need to check something, that if user themes is enabled. It's not, so turn on user themes, and as you can see that the dock has the same color effect, the same color as the theme we are going for. Let's add some quick application. So let's add some application as quickly as possible. All right, so things are looking pretty good. Now what we are missing right now is, by the way, where is our terminal? Okay, let's set the terminal. Okay, so let's see what is missing here right now. Okay, so we are missing the Conky theme. So go to Conky manager, you can search here, or you can search here. We have another menu over here. Okay, then click on this gear icon, click on this run Conky at system startup, then go to location, click on add, and then over here right click on show hidden files, and then go to .config, select Conky, click on open, select it, click on OK, refresh it, and these are our Conky themes. So turn them on. All right, okay, so I had to double select this one, I mean deselect and then select again for the weather to show up. Okay, and by the way, you can simply read this file, how to change the weather information for your location. There are a few more things that I need to show you guys. So first I'm going to show you how to change the icon for the Firefox. So for that, search for menu editor. So go to menu editor, and over here simply search for Firefox. Click on this icon and then click on browse files, and then go to downloads and go to my project file and go to project icons, then go to icon, and over here going to actually apply. First of all, I need to see which icon I need. Go to icon, and I want to apply, how about this one? Let's apply this one and see how it looks. Now wait for a few seconds. Alright guys, so as you can see, it looks alright, and similar way you can actually change any other icons as well. Let's say this icon is not looking that good, and this one and this one. So you can change those icons as well. Just search them over here and you can apply any icons you want. Okay, so after that, let's go ahead and install fish. Okay, so simply copy and paste these lines of commands to install fish shell, and it's gonna make our life a lot easier. Just copy and paste them. I don't need the new page over here. Press enter and finally save it by copying and pasting this line of command. And as you can see that this is the fish shell, and it's gonna show you some suggestion every time you type something, which is pretty convenient and makes life in the terminal a lot easier. So yeah guys, and you can install a lot of OMF themes and fish themes. You can experiment with those. All my fish themes. You can apply some fast fetch themes as well. Finally, I'm going to show you uLauncher. Okay, so I'm going to search for uLauncher. Press enter. So this is the uLauncher. As you can see, go to preferences, and over here let's F2 the hotkey to open uLauncher, and over here you can apply, let's apply Dracula. So this is the uLauncher theme. You can search for anything, and let's go to keyboard. Okay, keyboard settings, and scroll down, go to keyboard shortcuts, go to custom shortcut, and over here add shortcut, type uLauncher. Command will be uLauncher as well. Let's apply F2, click on add, and this way I can use the F2 button whenever I want to bring up the uLauncher and search anything I want from here. Okay, so everything's looking good, I guess. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for the donation. Thank you so much for getting the membership. I really appreciate this, and I will see you in the next video.